Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world, another living legend,
Ah,
towering personality, landmark personality, international speaker, world-class speaker, Mr. Mark Brown.
hello, Amjad. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you so
Excellent.
much for your time.
Oh, pleasure. My pleasure, my friend.
Thank you so much. And we heard you yesterday, and we've been hearing you for many, many years, and you're inspiring so many people. What motivates you to keep inspiring people, and what do you eat to have that energy? And when you dance on stage, what do you eat? Just tell us.
Well, the first question is what motivates me? The idea, Amjad, that a piece of my life can in some way be a beacon of light to inspire someone else through my failures and my successes, my struggles and my achievements. I believe all of us are going to go through similar experiences. So if my life, being a young man who was almost 19 years old, went to the USA with $40, and now I'm a world champion and I travel over the world, if my life can in some way be a path for someone else to take, that inspires me.
Wow.
As far as eating, thankfully my wife Andrea tries to keep me off the fatty foods. Every day she gives me a salad. Every day we have supplements. Every day we drink water, and we try to stay healthy. Every day I try to walk and be active. Wow. You sit at a desk all day, doing this all day, you are doing yourself a disservice. When you are healthy, you're better, you're more alert, you're more vibrant, you're more alive, you can hear what's going on around you, and you can respond to it. And part of our responsibility is to respond to other people in uplifting, positive ways. And I want to thank you for your kind words about my speeches. And I hope, again, each person gets one little nugget from hearing what I have to say.
Indeed, we are getting it. I'm not saying for the sake of saying it. You are inspiring so many lives.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
One more question.
Sure.
When did you realize that you are going to be a world-class, world champion speaker?
Good question. I had no clue. When I joined Toastmasters, I'd been a guest in my club for 4 months. I hadn't even joined. I'd heard so many great speakers. But as I mentioned yesterday in my presentation, in 1993, I had suffered a severe health problem. And that put life into perspective. Family became more important. And my life's contributions became more important. Not so much what I get, what can I give? And I believe all of us have life experiences, have stories that we can relate to other people to help them, to uplift them, to inspire them. And I didn't think I was going to be a world-class speaker because I entered my club contest by accident. I had no plans to be a great speaker, but I realized I had a gift that I could work on and I could develop through the Toastmasters program. And even though I won the world title 24 years ago, I'm still a card-carrying, dues-paying member of Toastmasters. Beautiful. And I attended my club meeting the day before I came to convention because I see the value in the program. So I didn't see myself as a world champion speaker. I saw myself as somebody with a message who had a chance to develop the skills to share that message in a positive way. So I encourage anyone who's concerned about, I don't know what to say or how to say it, your life tells a story. And there's someone out there who needs to hear it. Join Toastmasters, develop the skills to share your story, your life, your experience, and together we can really make this world a better place. There's one thing I must say also. We're here at convention, international. We have so many people from all over the world, different ethnic backgrounds, different faith, different belief, different religion, and for 5 days, nobody cares if you're Buddhist, Muslim, atheist, Christian, Democrat, Republican, Brexit, whatever, or exit. Nobody cares. Why? We have one common goal. Be better people, better speakers, better leaders, better communicators, and better human beings. You don't know what you're missing? I encourage you. Be a Toastmaster. Learn these skills and share your life with the world.
Great, sir. Thank you so much. One more question.
Certainly.
Everyone believes you are a world-class speaker, but you don't. What keeps you so humble? Please tell us.
I believe I have a good skill. I know that. What keeps me humble? I'll be honest. I realize I'm human. I come to Toastmasters, people ask for my photograph, selfie, and that's nice. But I go home, I take up the trash, I vacuum the floors, I say, yes dear, no dear, I'm sorry, I love my family, I live a normal life.
That's human.
That's human. And having the skill to speak is one part of my life. My life is not a world title. My life is day to day. My family, my wife, my children. I have struggles. I have bills to pay. I'm a normal human being. I just hope and pray that the effort I put forth to use the gift I have is a blessing to other people, is encouraging and uplifting, and I know I continue to learn, continue to grow, because when I stop learning, I stop living, and I don't plan to die anytime soon.
God bless you.
Thank you, my friend. He
One
has,
last
I pray he
question.
continues
for
to
the
do
people
so.
around the world
Yes,
who are aspiring to be Toastmasters, aspiring to be public speakers
Yes.
or communicators,
yes.
why they should not give up? Because a lot of people I've seen, because I've been traveling around the world,
Right.
and I've seen people are not continuing their journey because they say this is their passion,
Yes.
but they are not able to continue their passion. What is stopping them? How should they come back and continue their passion?
I think part of it is, if it's your passion, you should love it. And if you love it, don't work too hard at the work of it. Don't think of it as, I have to do this. I think of it as, wow, I get to do this. I get to use the gift I have. I get to share with people. I get to impart my life, to meet my family. I get to do this. And the key is, if you understand your audience is like you, same emotions, same cares, same hurts, same joys, when you establish that connection with the audience, then you realize they need to hear your story because your life can really help them. So maybe a shift in perspective. Don't just quit because you're not making all the money you want. Think of the lives you can touch and let the material things follow.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mark Brown.
Amjad, thank
I'm
you.
so pleased to stand next to you.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
And thank you so much for your kind words and uplifting words for
you.
every human being who is listening to you.
Thank you all so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, legacy and inspiration continues. If you have not subscribed my channel, do that, because I'm going to bring all legends right on your plate. Don't forget to take care of yourself.
Right. Thanks,
Thank you
Amjad.
so much. Thank you so much.